Hey everyone, Joffer here and welcome back again to my channel, and today I have a very special device to show you. This is the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus, the latest flagship from the Chinese giant, and it's packed with some amazing features, and I will share you what is my thought and full specs of this phone. Come on guys, join with me and let's find out what this phone can offer. But before that guys, if you are new here in this channel, please smash the subscribe button to help this channel grow and don't miss all the latest gadget reviews. Let's get started. The first thing you'll notice on this phone is the stunning display of 6.82-inch LTPO OLED display with a resolution of 2720 by 1260 pixels and a 120Hz refresh rate. The screen is also adaptive, meaning it can adjust the refresh rate from 1Hz to 120Hz depending on the content you're watching. This helps save your battery life and improve performance. The display is also protected by Huawei's Kunlun Glass 2nd generation, which is said to be more durable and scratch resistant than Gorilla Glass. The Mate 60 Pro Plus has a sleek design with a glass back and aluminum frame. It comes in two colors, Inkstone Black and Light Gold. The phone also has an IP68 water and dust resistant, which means it can withstand dust and water up to 6 meters for 30 minutes. The phone has hybrid dual SIM slot, which can also support Huawei's nano memory cards up to 256GB of storage. The phone is powered by the Kirin 9000S chipset, which is 5G capable, a 7nm processor with 8 cores and a Mali G910 GPU. The phone also has a whopping 16GB of RAM and up to 1TB of internal storage. This makes the Mate 60 Pro Plus one of the most powerful phones on the market right now, and it can handle any task or game you throw at it. The Mate 60 Pro Plus runs on Harmony OS 4.0, which is Huawei's own operating system, and for sure EMUI 14 for the global market. This phone has a triple rear camera setup, which consists of a 48MP main sensor with OIS, a 40MP ultra-wide lens, and a 48MP ultra macro telephoto lens with OIS as well. The camera can capture stunning photos and videos in any lighting conditions, and it also supports 3.5x optical zoom and up to 100 times digital zoom. The front camera is a 13MP sensor with an ultra-wide angle lens. It also has a ToF 3D sensor, which helps the face unlock and depth sensing. The front camera can also record 4K videos at 60 frames per second. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus has a large 5000 mAh battery, which can easily last for a full day of heavy usage. The phone also supports fast charging, both wired and wireless. The phone can charge up to 88 watts with the included charger, which can fill up the battery from 0 to 100% in just 30 minutes. The phone can also charge wirelessly up to 50 watts, and it can reverse charge other devices up to 20 watts, which is amazing. The most unique features of this phone is it supports satellite communication. This means that the phone can send and receive text messages and voice calls using satellites, instead of relying on cellular networks. This can be useful in areas where there is no or poor network coverage or in emergency situations. The Mate 60 Pro Plus is a beast phone, and it offers everything you could ask for in a flagship device. It has a gorgeous display with most advanced and powerful processor, 5G capable, a massive memory and storage capacity, an amazing camera system, a long-lasting battery, and a sleek design. Alright guys, that's it for today's quick review of the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this phone. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.